Hey everyone, James and Mark here with a very special mukbang. Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas!
And today we're going to be making a very special holiday meal.
We are inviting you to come see how we do Christmas at home during COVID.
So let's go straight to the kitchen. Ready?
Let's go!
What does this holiday meal consist of?
I think we're gonna do some easy roast beef, deep fried Scotch egg, and KFC chicken rice. They all kind of remind me of holiday meal, but then I don't know if these three menu items go together, but we're gonna try. First thing first, the rice does take time to cook, so I wanna prep the rice first. I have 3 cups of rice that we rinsed. We have our original, we're gonna use thighs.
Thighs, yes. Look at them thick thighs, just like yours. And then we got some, it looks like chicken stock here.
Instead of water, we're gonna add chicken stock. I'm gonna do what it says in our pot. Soy sauce and thigh.
Super easy.
Okay. Need a drink before we start cooking. When you think of holiday cocktails, what's one of the drink that you think of?
Eggnog?
You know we're drinking eggnog because you saw me buy it.
Keep the illusion alive.
I don't know, if you're around SoCal in Southern California, this brand of eggnog is rated #1. Spike it, because we're not going to drink straight up eggnog, which you can if you want to.
Spiking it with?
Oh shoot.
Is there?
We're gonna do a different combination of spiced rum and some cognac, which is French. Look how...
Is that very viscosity-ish?
It's like yogurt, like what you said.
Oh.
Okay, so here's one.
She thick. Is there any room for alcohol, girl? Because I need my alcohol.
There not might be room, but we just need to mix it just a little bit. So, oh, this smells like a Vietnamese wedding. Oh my gosh, it's bringing up memory of Vietnamese wedding.
I feel like we're supposed to go around to the tables and greet all our guests very soon.
I don't even know how much to pour.
Now, rum.
Or 2.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll make it work. Evie! Oh my gosh. Arm workout. Do you want to try this?
I don't need to shake it. I just want to see how heavy it is. Oh my god. And this is my right arm. My right arm is stronger too. Don't ask why.
Then we could always add more alcohol if I didn't pour enough. James, 2 eggnogs ready for order. Your order's ready. I don't taste alcohol. I taste it, but I don't taste it.
Don't taste it, but I feel it. Does that make sense? Girl? You trying to get me out of my, like, outfit tonight. Oh, we actually got a new Christmas tree. Here it is. There you go. Work that cocktail. Find the light. I know there's like 8, but choose one.
Fine, you try.
No, I don't want a model. It's okay. Here, let's sit down.
You know what, Matt? If you're watching, I do like your eggnog way better.
Actually, I don't even know what eggnog is. The other day I told Mark, like, is there actually eggs in it? Because I thought it might be one of those things called eggnog just from the color. Am I drinking egg, like, soup? Is this like egg drop soup?
Do you want some green onions?
That kind of sounds good right now. And what's a nog? Like, I have a friend named Knock, but like, I don't know what a nog is. Oh, eggnog.
For
Eggnog.
Halloween, she should dress up as an eggnog.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh, shit. I also have to warn you guys, we also had a pre-dinner cocktail before this, so the camera's a little shaky today, you know why.
It's pretty stable right now. And who's holding the camera?
Me. Yeah, don't do that!
We're making goma green beans, which is a Japanese miso inspired green bean side dish. As soon as I did that, you smell the sesame seed. Some miso, white miso.
Ooh. It's like nutty.
So Scotch egg, if you don't know what that is, either soft or hard-boiled egg wrapped around meat that's deep fried with breadcrumbs.
You said all the words I like in the English language. Now we're adding the eggs into a ice water bath. And that's just to prevent it from continuing to cook, if I'm guessing.
That is true. Chicken rice is done.
Oh.
It just kind of falls off.
You barely have to put any pressure on the knife.
Add a little bit of salt.
Some quality control here. It's like KFC risotto.
We got cheap cut. I read that roast beef, you're supposed to use inexpensive cut. I admit a little bit, so. Okay. So then we're making our au jus sauce for the roast beef. Cook the roast beef in a dashi soy sauce base.
Okay, we're gonna sear the meat first.
And after we sear it, we're gonna add it to our dashi sauce. We only need a third of this, so 1, 2. Some salt. Just a splash of Worcestershire sauce, then some ketchup. I need your help on this one. Can you add 2.5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to this egg?
1.
And then add this chopped cabbage. Just all of it. I was kind of generous. But this is gonna be our meat mixture that we're gonna wrap on the outside of our egg.
That's for one Scotch egg?
It looks kind of like a lot, huh?
A lot of meat, but we'll see.
Oh, ever so. Oh, this egg is delicate.
Oh my god. Oh, you're starting to enclose it. Wow, this looks incredible. First time ever making this.
Oh, it's crunchy.
That's good. That's a good sign.
And what we want is actually runny yolks.
You know you're cutting a Scotch egg, not a steak, right?
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
it's perfect.
That's so beautiful. Wow.
That is perfect. I hope your egg is like that too.
Okay, well, let's see. Mine looks like a ostrich egg. But the yolk is like...
It's like a volcano.
It just, like-
And let that egg yolk just seep into the KFC chicken rice. Then we made some mustard mayo sauce to eat with our Scotch egg. But then we are drinking a Chateau Cambon from Eastay, and this is a French wine.
Oh.
So
Thank you.
there's Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, cheers.
Merry Christmas,
Happy
everyone.
holidays.
Merry Christmas. Oh, wine's really good.
Yeah,
I think I want to try the Scotch egg first.
me
though.
too.
I mean, it's like a deep fried meatball.
Wow.
It's good.
It's so good.
Oh my god, the meat's good.
You got a nice texture on it. It's crispy on the outside, but then the runny egg inside, it's almost like a sauce. Oh, you can still hear that nice crunch from that.
Oh, and that sesame sauce.
Mmm.
Oh, so good.
Mmm.
The rice is so good.
Yeah, it has that like, it's like risotto.
If I had to describe our Christmas meal this year, 2020, it mimics what our experience of 2020 is like. Unexpected. This meal is, for us is unexpected, but very delicious and very rewarding. And 2020 was very unexpected, but we survived.
No, it's funny because when you think about it, wasabi is horseradish, and you eat horseradish with
So what did you buy me for Christmas? Are we opening up each other's Christmas present in this video?
Well, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I feel like it's just layers of Christmas comfort on a plate.
You know what? Baby, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I can't believe we're spending Christmas like this.
I'm just happy that if under all circumstances, I at least have you here to be with on Christmas.
And hate you.
He's right underneath. He's waiting for the Scotch egg. He's like, there should be one more.
He kind of looks like the Scotch egg.
He does the coloring.
The
Very
color
similar.
is the Scotch egg.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us for our Christmas dinner. It's really special to have shared this meal with you guys, and Mark, you did a great job as usual. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, check out one of our other videos, and again, happy holidays, stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye.